What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be cooking some lamb shanks with a few different sides. Let's go. What's good YouTube family? In this video today I'm going to be cooking slow roasted lamb shanks with a roasted medley of potatoes, red capsicums and onions, green beans, gravy and a creamy cauliflower puree. First thing I do is prep the lamb shanks. Using a knife, I put a few holes in the shanks and fill the holes with about 4 cloves of sliced garlic. Then I rub a bit of oil on them and season generously with salt and pepper. I didn't have any today, but usually if I have a little bit of rosemary or thyme, I like to put those in the holes with the garlic as well. Before I cover with tin foil, I like to put about a cup of water into the tray just because it helps slightly braise and steam the shanks, especially for this first part. Then I set the oven to fan bake at about 180 to 190 degrees and cook for about an hour and a half. Next we're on to the roast vegetable medley. Here I chop 2 potatoes, half a red capsicum and 1 brown onion. Add a bit of oil, some dry oregano, dry thyme and season with salt and pepper. When the shanks have been in for an hour and a half, we're ready to chuck these in the oven. You can put other vegetables in here like kumara, pumpkin, zucchini. It's just a good way to use up leftovers in the fridge as well. Here I prep the green beans by topping and tailing them, then put them in the bowl ready to give a quick blanch in boiling hot water. Then I chop about half a large cauliflower into small florets and add them to a pot. Fill this up with water to cover and bring to a hard boil. These cauliflower need to be very tender and take around 15 to 20 minutes to cook. I blended up the cauliflower with about 30 to 40 grams of butter, a quarter cup of cream and salt. After this was all blended together, I pushed it through a sieve just to get the extra smoothness. I'm extremely gutted I didn't get footage of the cauliflower puree because I actually thought it was pretty good. I was pretty proud of it. Mrs. even thought it was restaurant quality. Blanch the green beans in salted water for about 1 minute, drain, then cool. Before serving, I just pan fry them in a bit of butter and salt and pepper. After about half an hour, I give the vegetables a toss and take the tin foil off the shanks. I took the vegetables out about 10 minutes after that, then put the oven on 220 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes to finish off the cooking and add a bit of colour to the shanks. I enjoy plating up, mainly for the missus. 11 years and I'm still trying to impress her, even if she does think I'm just doing it for the tubes. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this one fam. Feel free to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.